Most welcome to our channel all about art. This is Mo. Today's topic, nice eyes. Eyes, the greatest blessing of the Lord in our lives. My dear friends, if we get the basic structure of the eye before beginning our drawing, then it will be helpful for us. Firstly, pupil, the small round black at the center of the eye. Now, iris, the round part that surrounds the pupil of the eye. The transparent, slightly bulging surface in front of the eye is cornea. Due to this, the oval shape of the eye becomes more prominent. This total portion varies in size to regulate the amount of light reaching the retina or the back of the eye. Surrounding this is sclera. The end of the sclera towards the ear is lateral canthus and towards the nose is called caruncle. This one is upper lid fold. This one is lower eyelid fold. This one is lower eyelid crease. These are upper and lower eyelids respectively. Now, with these concepts, we will draw different eyes showing different expressions, especially the eyes of females. Now, I use pen. My dear friends, if the drawing is made using pen, then it is a little tougher because we cannot change to different types of tone to make it as easy as using pencil. In that case, the tone will depend on the pressure we exert on the paper using pen. Regarding this, we will bring out another video to discuss it in detail. Now, color pencils. We know God has drawn the iris of different people with different colors. I will try to show a few of those colors here. I hope it was easy for you to understand. My dear friends, if you get any value from this video, consider liking it and subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.